What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This week we're gonna go searching for some more waterfalls. I was up for a job interview up in Bremerton, and I'm already in the Olympic Peninsula, so might as well go and see what I can find. There's two waterfalls that I want to go see. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find them, but let's go on an adventure.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
So one good thing is the A7 III. This camera has been really helping me out, especially in my creativity. The 4K, beautiful footage, and the 120 frames per second that I boosted up to 4K, I just doubled it. Still came out very crisp, and y'all seem to like it a lot. I am very grateful for everything that you guys are doing, like commenting, liking, and subscribing. It's great. It's giving me the passion to keep going. I mean, it is my passion, and I love sharing it with you guys. So let's go see what else we can create. I need some coffee first, then we'll go. Okay, so headed back to a waterfall that I've already been to. I cannot recall the name. I am very bad with names. I can have a coworker that I've worked with for months and still don't even know their name. It's very beautiful here. Let me show you.
I know we could have been better. You look so pretty in lies. Big egos live in this castle. Not sure I'm ever surprised. You got me fooling around and now you're honesty. Don't think you got the concept right.
So I know it's going to be pretty slippery up here, so I'm going to hope, again, that I'm not going to die. Happens a lot. I hope that almost every single trip that I go on. I'm going to try not to do anything crazy. But we are, speaking of me, dumb. So we'll see how that goes. Oh! The camera almost went for a spin. One thing I really like doing is actually meeting people on the trail. I get to interact with them, say what's up, stuff like that. See how they like the walk so far. Oh, here it comes. Here comes the waterfall. Oh my goodness. It's really going today.
You know that something ain't right. Blaming me for causing your insanity. I'm pretty sure you're born like this. Talk before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it...
Almost guaranteed you guys cannot hear me right now, so it's going to be kind of like all up in my face with this waterfall. So with the rain that's been going on, we're pretty wild.
You already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already...
Okay, so one thing I find with nicer and easier hikes is that a lot of people are able to come there, which is nice, completely fine. But it's a struggle as a photographer to try to get the shot in between everybody showing up. That's okay. We share the trails. You want to know who the real MVP is? These two trees. Look at the boulder that is stopped. Who says you can't? I wonder what's up there. Oh. Headed to the new place right now, Jefferson Lake turnoff off of Forest Route like 2480, close enough to my birthday. But this is just beautiful. No one's out here right now, so I think I got the area pretty much to myself. That means I got to be extra careful. So, look.
Again, no. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all.
I got about 4 4 more miles on my trip to get to the other waterfalls, but this is, wow, this is just beautiful. Like, the trees are amazing also. Like, I'm in the middle of the Olympics right now, like at the very beginning of the Olympic mountains. This is why Washington State is beautiful. And so it looks like I'm just not gonna be able to go to the end of this because I'm just gonna stop at every single beautiful place. Here we go. Okay, I guess I can go underneath this, right? Like, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. I didn't die. Okay guys, so I accidentally made it up a mountain. I was going to a lake, but I guess the lake's up in the mountain. That's snow. Okay, so I thought I was going to cheat and make it to the lake and not have to hike. But that would make for a poor representation for, well, there's gunshots. For whenever I go to post this onto the Washington Hikers and Climbers page. Oh, look at all this stuff that I didn't hike to. That's not what I'm about, fam. So, we're gonna make it down to this lake. I accidentally got here, but it's pretty much an alpine lake. So, let's check it out.
Why can't we face it? We keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. We keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing.
One thing I wanted to show you guys was, oh, trees, they're huge. There's a lot of them, older ones that have fallen or been cut or whatnot, but this place is gigantic. Here goes another crazy big tree. I'm gonna learn the names. So here we are. There's camping spots that I've now found, and so hopefully I don't get shot, for one, and two, I come back here and camp out for a while. I wish I could get a higher vantage point, but I'm not really seeing where I can get that at, and I definitely need a wider lens. But it's epic up here. Remember how I told you Washington State is beautiful? Alright guys, so I made it to the top of the hill. This is kind of like the end of my journey. There was a waterfall that I wanted to check out before the major descent up this hill, or whatever you call it. But yeah, this place, you can't beat it. It's rock, no roll. I'll see myself out now. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Oh, well, that's kind of unnerving. Big ass rock that fell from up there.
You do the best you can. You know what? You make me proud. You know why? Because you could be big one day and wash out all this damn road, and then I won't be able to drive on it.
So being up in the mountains, you kind of become one with the clouds sometimes. Cool. So I like going to go find things that I really don't see much on social media. I think I found this one. Oh look, it's mud puddles. Play in the mud puddles, puddles. Oh, it's a big one. It's up. Whee! Sorry Lou, you're gonna have to wash my car again. Okay, so my GPS is talking right now. So basically I was supposed to be somewhere down there. And I made it all the way on top of a mountain up to the snow. Whoops. Alright guys, so today was a great experience. Got to go to a new place in the Olympic Peninsula that I've never been before. Never actually went down any national forest roads, so that was a new experience for me. There's some great waterfalls that I was able to find, as you've seen in the video. And hopefully a little bit later on this summer, I'm going to go out there and camp. I'm not going to try to give away too much of my stuff, but Western Washington is beautiful. Alright guys, so do me a favor, go ahead and like and comment and subscribe if you're new here. I appreciate it. Also, most of my images will be put on my Instagram. Link will be somewhere around here. Take care.